Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by opening two of your apps that you wish to use in this view in the background. In my case Chrome and Messages. When you're ready, access background apps. In order to do that with tricky's navigation, click on this square button. Now decide which app you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then tap on the icon of it. Now click on split screen and tap on the second app. As you can see, after that, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!